The alchemy of rust begins with a shift in perception, a deliberate choice to see corrosion not as damage, but as an unfinished language written by time, moisture, and exposure. In industrial settings, rust is the enemy, a sign of failure and neglect, yet in the hands of an artist or maker, it becomes a collaborator capable of producing textures and colors no brush or pigment can replicate. Transforming corroded metal into textured wall art starts with this philosophical reversal, where decay is reframed as raw potential. Scrap steel panels, forgotten machine housings, discarded tools, or thin sheets salvaged from demolition sites already carry the first chapter of their story etched into their surfaces. Pitted edges, flaking layers, and uneven oxidation provide a natural foundation, ensuring that every piece begins with individuality. Rather than erasing these marks, the process honors them, carefully studying how the metal has reacted to time so the artist can guide what happens next with intention rather than force. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The act of accelerating and controlling rust is where craftsmanship meets chemistry. Corrosion becomes predictable when its conditions are understood, and understanding allows for precision without stripping away organic unpredictability. By manipulating moisture levels, oxygen exposure, and surface preparation, the maker can influence how rust blooms across metal like a slow-moving landscape. Some areas are left raw to develop deep, coarse textures, while others are subtly protected to create contrast and visual rhythm. The surface may be cleaned just enough to remove oils and debris without erasing its character, allowing oxidation to develop evenly or in deliberate patterns. Over time, layers of rust form gradients ranging from soft orange to deep umber and charcoal, producing a natural palette that feels grounded, earthy, and emotionally resonant. This controlled decay gives the artist the ability to compose with corrosion, balancing chaos and order in a way that feels intentional rather than accidental. What makes rust-based wall art so compelling is its tactile presence. Unlike flat, painted surfaces, corroded metal invites the eye to travel across peaks, fissures, and craters, creating depth that changes with light and perspective. As sunlight or artificial illumination shifts throughout the day, shadows move across the rusted textures, bringing the artwork to life. This dynamic quality transforms the piece from a static object into an evolving experience, making it especially powerful in modern interiors that value material honesty and sensory engagement. The wall art becomes more than decoration. It becomes a conversation between light, space, and material. Each panel or sculptural form holds a physical memory of industrial labor and environmental exposure, yet it now exists in a refined, intentional context that elevates its presence. The process of harnessing corrosion also demands respect for timing and restraint. Rust cannot be rushed without losing its authenticity, yet it must be monitored carefully to prevent structural compromise. The maker learns when to pause oxidation, when to allow it to deepen, and when to intervene to preserve a specific texture. This balance is what separates amateur experimentation from high-value, saleable work. The metal is stabilized at the right moment, locking in the desired surface while maintaining durability for long-term display. This act of preservation turns a fragile stage of decay into something enduring, allowing the art to exist confidently in residential and commercial spaces. Buyers are drawn to this combination of rawness and reliability, knowing they are investing in a piece that carries history without sacrificing function or longevity. Rust wall art also resonates because it challenges conventional definitions of beauty. In a world saturated with polished finishes and mass-produced perfection, corroded metal offers an honest alternative that feels grounding and real. The textures speak of weather, labor, and time, appealing to those who value authenticity over uniformity. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. Please consider subscribing and smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Each piece becomes unrepeatable, shaped by variables that cannot be fully controlled, which elevates its perceived value. Collectors and interior designers are increasingly drawn to this uniqueness, recognizing that rust-based art cannot be replicated at scale without losing its soul. This scarcity, combined with the narrative embedded in the material, makes such pieces highly desirable in the eco-luxury market. The transformation from scrap to high-value decor is also a story of sustainability. By reclaiming metal that would otherwise be discarded, the artist reduces waste while creating something meaningful. Rust art embodies the philosophy that materials do not lose worth when they decay, they simply enter a new phase of usefulness. This message resonates strongly with environmentally conscious buyers who want their spaces to reflect their values. The art becomes a statement of mindful consumption, proving that beauty can emerge from what society deems obsolete. This alignment between aesthetics and ethics strengthens the emotional connection between the artwork and its owner, making it more than a visual object but a reflection of personal principles. From a market perspective, textured rust wall art occupies a powerful niche between industrial design and fine art. Its versatility allows it to complement minimalist interiors, rustic spaces, and contemporary environments alike. Large panels can anchor a room as a dramatic focal point, while smaller compositions can be grouped to create visual narratives across a wall. The ability to scale the work without losing its uniqueness makes it appealing to both private collectors and commercial clients. Each piece tells a story of transformation, from corrosion to composition, from neglect to intention. This narrative adds intangible value, allowing the art to command premium pricing not solely based on materials, but on concept, craftsmanship, and meaning. Ultimately, the alchemy of rust is about embracing imperfection as a creative force. By learning how to guide corrosion rather than fight it, makers unlock a medium that is both ancient and modern, raw yet refined. Rust becomes paint, texture, and history combined, offering an expressive language that feels deeply human. Through careful control, patience, and respect for material, decayed metal is elevated into wall art that feels alive, powerful, and enduring. What was once a symbol of deterioration becomes a testament to transformation, proving that even in decay, there is immense beauty waiting to be revealed and valued. Thank you for spending your time with Decor Ideas and being part of our creative woodworking and decor journey. We hope this video inspired you to see new possibilities in craftsmanship and home decor. Your thoughts truly matter to us, so feel free to share your ideas, suggestions, or feedback in the comments and let us know which designs or techniques you'd love to see next. If you enjoyed this creation, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family who love crafting and decor inspiration. Stay connected with Decor Ideas for more creative woodworking projects and inspiring decor transformations. We can't wait to see you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.